Hello, this is FoodMangga, and now we will make Lucky Me beef noodle soup that can feed 3 to 4 people in a cheap and easy way. We made this dish because majority of us are still on community quarantine and our food is very limited. We would like to help you save the foods that you have and at the same time maximize those recipes that usually in your kitchen. The recipes are Lucky Me beef, hot dog, mixed vegetables, cheese, beef cubes, water, eggs. The exact amount of each ingredients are on the description box. First, we will cut the hot dog into small pieces. Aside from hot dogs, you can also use ham. Then, break the 2 eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs with a fork until the yolks and the whites are combined. Heat a frying pan over a medium heat and add some oil. We will first cook our hot dog. Once it's cooked, remove the hot dog from the pan. Now we will add 3 cups of water. Wait until it boils. Once it's boiling, add the noodles. Mix vegetables. Lucky Me beef seasoning. And beef cubes. We will wait for at least 3 minutes. By the way, you can also use chicken noodle soup instead of beef if you'd like. You just need to replace the beef cubes to chicken cubes. Also, you can use or add other vegetables such as cabbage, potato, pechay, or any leafy vegetables. Now, slowly pour the egg while mixing it. Then we will add our cheese. Cooked hot dogs. broth is milky. By this time, the noodles is already cooked. Taste if you think it needs a little bit of salt. Now our soup is done. It is best paired with a bread or a cracker. Taste the food that you love, eat well, and of course stay safe. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get some updates on our upcoming videos. Thanks and have a great day.